Hello, we are the original Bring a Trailer local partners for the San Francisco Bay Area, and we want to welcome you to a sublime goat, a 1965 Pontiac GTO hardtop coupe, 389 V8 with tri-power and a 4-speed manual. This car was refurbished prior to our client acquiring the car back in 2022. We have the Pontiac Historical Society documents, including the data card. Our client has spent over $11,000 during their care, taking the car to the next level. We'll tell you all about it after a cold start and a quick drive. This is one badass goat. Everything has been gone through with the car. It features black vinyl interior and a Hurst shifter for that 4-speed manual transmission, limited slip diff, power steering, and upgraded power front disc brakes, a UMI front sway bar. The suspension has been gone through, carburetors rebuilt, and distributor replaced. It's ready to be enjoyed by the next owner. It's available on Bring a Trailer. Let's go!